You have probably seen my t-shirt right here. That will be sponsored 100% from Phanit. I really, I appreciate it a lot. He sponsored. I don't have to pay anything. Welcome to Effortless English with Rithy. Let's get started with your fluency journey and keep practicing your English with effective methods. Glad to be back. So in this video, we are going to learn more from our English speaker right here. I got my brother. He's going to be part of our English conversation. Yep. So he's going to share his experiences of learning English, and we're going to find out as well. All right, so let's get started. But first of all, I would like to introduce myself a little bit shortly. Sure, everybody may know me, but I don't want to make it so far. My name is Rithy. One more time, you guys can call me Rithy. Yeah, that's it. No any information at all, right? So let's get to my brother. Could you introduce yourself, please?
My name is Nit. You can call me Nit. Today I'm going to show some my experience about how to learn English. Yes, before I used to learn English, but sometimes my English is very low, so I can't speak English with everybody. I can't do something that I want to do. But when I know the Facebook page as Effortless English Variety, I'm really interested in, and I chat with him and I studied with him a lot, like how to improve speaking skill, how to improve something about English. Mostly, when you want to improve yourself about studying English, mostly you want to improve your study English. I have 3 tips about you. First, you can learning about pronunciation, because pronunciation is very important for us to speaking loudly, speaking clear sound and clear voice. Yeah. Number 2, you should learning about words, because when you know a lot of words, you can speak a lot, or you can write, you can do something that you want. Yes. Number 3, you should practice a lot. Yes, practice like you can practice at home, at school, at everywhere that you want to do. Yeah. Or even though you can practice with your friend, your teacher, and everybody, because when you practice, can improve so fast to know about English a lot. Yes, for me I have 3 tips. Yeah, for you. So you want to improve your English, or you want to improve how about to study English, well, you can practice 3 tips that I provide. Yes, so that's all for me.
Thank you, more. Appreciate for your experiences and 3 tips. I would like to clarify one more time. Number 1, learn the pronunciation. Yep. We all know pronunciation. This is the grammar sound. Whenever we have known or we learn the particular sound, this is like the articulation. We would say, or we would call it as the articulation for pronunciation of the sound. So that's why if you learn English as the second language, we recommend it a lot to work on your voice, your jaw, your words, especially your sound, something like that. I truly believe this way. So second, this is vocabulary you mentioned as well. So I think vocabulary would be part of the development of speaking English. Whenever we know many words, I think this is the great opportunities to open a big thought, like how we actually extend our thinking, our ideas, and basically how to extend our details in speaking English. Remember, if you got limited vocabularies, so you might be difficult to express or give your ideas with anybody. You may be so hard to express your ideas, something like that. Number 3, lastly, practice makes perfect. So I truly believe this way, but I'm gonna share for next time like how to practice your English, like how to stay updated, right? Try to be like more developing to your English just like this way. I think that's gonna be more interesting to learn. I would like to say shortly, thank you so much, Bong, for your idea, like something so good. But honestly, you have probably seen my t-shirt right here. That will be sponsored 100% from Phanit. I really, I appreciate it a lot. He sponsored. I don't have to pay anything. I mean, this is like a great appreciation to you, for your kindness, mankind for that way. So I am so grateful for your help, honestly. So I think our video is coming to an end. Yep. And thanks so much everybody watching this video on Facebook page, Effortless English Variety or English Solution Variety. We love you all. I see you next time. Have a good day.